Hello and welcome to another Hotwheels unboxing. And in today's video, we got some more Q-case and A-case cars. Let me remove this EG, which I'll open later. And get out 67 Autostop 49 with number 4 instead of number 5 on it. Let's open it. And here it is. Now I couldn't find number 5, but I do have this one now. Yeah. Let me put this aside, because we got one of the ugliest 3 cars in my opinion. 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. Let's open it. And here it is. Yeah, here's color. Next car is a pretty cool Japanese car. 19 Acura NSX. Let's open it. And here it is. I got the yellow one of these, and now I have a white one. And the last 2024 Hot Wheels for this video is Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. Let's open it. And here it is, my third golf car. Yeah, I have a white Cobra Daytona Coupe. No, a white blue one, and now I have this one. And a Glory Chaser from last year. Like 2023, not 2024. Yeah, and the next one, which I'm pretty excited to have, Mazda Alderson. Let's open it. And here it is. Pretty interesting. This is like a Captain America looking car. Yeah. And the next one, which is an abomination of a car, because it's electric. Tesla Model S Plaid. From the new Hot Wheels EV collection. Let's open it. And here it is. Oh god, it's on fire. Yeah. And the next car, which I don't have in my collection, 2021 Ford Bronco. Let's open it. And here it is. I don't like the wheels, but everything else about this car is pretty cool. And last car, which I was most excited to find, besides the R32 that I still haven't found, 1990 Honda Civic EF, first car from the Hot Wheels 70s versus 90s. Let's open it. And here it is. Now I don't have this car because I didn't find it in 2023. Yeah. And that's it. The worst one out of this was definitely the motorcycle, and the coolest one was the EF. Now, see you guys next time. Bye bye.